This affordable on Temu? I'm obsessed with this new style. Just look at this flexibility. These soft sole nurse shoes have a specialized high-density cow tendon sole that actually moves with your foot, which is a total game changer for reducing strain on your arches during long shifts. The material is glove soft with zero break-in period. You can see how supple this moccasin-style upper is. There are no stiff seams to dig in, so you can wear these for a 12-hour shift on day one without worrying about a single blister. They are specifically engineered for people who are on their feet all day, like nurses or teachers. Plus, the tread is totally slip-resistant, which is a must-have for hospital tiles or polished school hallways. These shoes fit perfectly and look so much more expensive than they actually are. They even have this cute bow detail that adds a bit of personality while staying professional. About 92% of customers say they fit true to size, and they come directly from the factory, so you aren't paying a middleman markup. I got these shoes on Temu, and you can get yours right now for an amazing price. Just download the Temu app and search my code COM93176 to grab this exact pair at a huge discount. Plus, all new app users who search my code COM93176 will receive an exclusive $100 coupon bundle to use on their very first haul. This is a massive benefit that helps you save even more while getting the comfort you need for work. Grab yours now while they are still in stock. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new favorite work shoes. Don't forget to search code COM93176 for that amazing price in your $100 coupon bundle.